Okay. Okay, let's go to SPRO. Material management, purchasing, purchase order, define screen layout at document level. Okay, field selection. ME21N is the purchase order, is the T code. Okay, double click. When we're creating, these are the fields that we will see. Okay, I double click one, the first one. Over here, the plant is a required entry. Material group is optional. Value limit fields are optional. Page down. Part number is just display. Urgency is optional. Overall limit is empty. Okay. Manufacturer part number is. So where are these fields? We'll go to ME21N, which is this transaction code. /O will create another session, separate session from this window. And it will open ME21N. Okay, now this is a purchase order. I will keep the document overview on. And this actually gives us the list of purchase orders. So I click here and I will see if there are any purchase orders. There is no purchase order in record. Okay, so we will keep this document overview off and looking at this fields, because this is front end, so we have to discuss every field over here. Payment terms for the vendors, because we have to mention a vendor over here. PO number will be generated here. The conditions that will be posted along with this purchase order are taxes, discounts, actual price. Text will be like any shipping instruction. Okay, shipping instructions will be given here, like header text, header note, pricing types. I'll click on pricing types. We will have different types and categories of text editors here. Address, the shipping address, shipping where it has to be shipped. Okay, and address details can be fetched from here as well. And we can actually fill up these fields and maintain an address. Okay, communication. And communication, we actually have the contact details of the key person who will be dealing with the delivery and receiving of the purchase order and the materials. The partners, who will be the partners, their names, numbers will be actually given here, and their functions will be mentioned over here. And it will be invoicing partner, invoicing party, or the goods supplier. Invoicing party can be a mother company and goods supplier can be a subsidiary. Based on this, we can determine the partners. Their numbers can be given here, and it can be actually marked as default partner if there are more than one partners, and that can be an invoicing party as well. Additional data. Okay. In additional data, we have some relevant to industry fields. Organizational data will be purchase organization, purchase group, and company code. The status will actually show what is basically the status of the purchase order, which is not yet sent, not delivered, not invoiced, not yet sent to the vendor, and the vendor has not delivered, and the vendor has not invoiced because it's all empty right now. Okay. So these are the header fields. Now, this is the line items where our material details will be given here. Plant is uh, obligatory. That's why we see plant over here. So I go back, and over here we have plant as required entry. So this part is a required entry. Okay. So this was just one part, and basic data item. And over here, it's repeating that again. The selection group is the same. Terms of delivery and payment, we've already seen that. Terms of payment. Additional data. This will be a new item. Terms of payment. Terms of payment will be optional. It's kept optional over here, and the other fields are empty. Incoterms are shipping terms. Their versions are multiple maintained in MM. If we can actually retrieve a purchase order, let's see purchase order. Okay, we have this purchase order, which was maintained earlier, and Yellowstone Group is our plant. Okay, let's see the header details. The header details are given here with the pricing and with the quantity. It's not yet delivered. And looking at the Incoterms, these are empty. Delivery invoice. Payment terms are given here. The payment terms are not yet mentioned. Display change. Payment terms can be on cash, 30 days, 60 days, whatever is the settlement with the vendor. So we say 14 days with 3% cash discount. And payment in 14 days, payment in 20 days, we will get 2% discount, payment in 30 days, and it will be charged full. Okay. GR message, this is good receipt message. And one thing more. Okay. Material group is rugged. Material number can be given over here. Quantities and weights can be given here if there are specific details that are available with us. PO quantity is 1000 kg. Order unit is 1 unit, 1 kg. Okay, based on that, the pricing is done on per kg basis. Okay. Delivery schedule. Delivery is to be made On this date, it can be changed as well. The delivery. The delivery, when it is delivered, it can be either blocked or put for quality inspection or unrestricted use. And of course, over delivery tolerance can be given over here unlimited in case of industries like beverages, where there is a requirement to deliver beverage formulas over there. We need unlimited supplies under delivery tolerance. For example, if we are ordering 1000 kg, 2% under delivery is tolerable, 2% over delivery is tolerable. So shipping instruction, chemical import, or shipping rule, you can actually build these shipping rules separately for your own use as per the business process allows. Invoice receipt and tax code F7. We have actually configured F7 GR based on the good receipt basis invoice will be uh, um, uh, um, confirmed conditions. Effective price is material prices 1310. Okay, cash discount it has calculated. Okay, and other calculations are also done by the system. Okay, and other than that, we have Incoterms, rest, of course, analysis. Okay, these are condition types based on which the pricing is actually handled. We're not discussing this right now. We're discussing purchase order, and we'll save this. Standard PO was actually changed. So in effect, this is how your purchase order is actually configured. We'll see another details of the screen. Let's see GR/IR control, valuation type, under delivery tolerance. We have already seen that. Final invoice indicator, GR-based invoice verification, GR-based settlement, all is optional entry. Okay. I hope this is clear. Let's go ahead. This is how you actually manage the screen control. The screen control, of course, gives you a lot of option. Okay, next is transport order. Transport order, stock transport order is used for material transfer between plants. So stock transport order, it does not contain any value because it is a transfer between two company codes. Okay, so there are some steps involved in stock transfer or order. Let's do that. Stock transport order. Okay, in stock transport order, we must have multiple plants. Multiple plants. Our plant is Yellowstone. Yellowstone T31. Double click customer number plant. If a plant has been maintained as a customer, that can be mentioned over here. Okay, let's see if we have another one. Okay, let's take up Hero Motors, customer number, plant, sales organization, internal billing. 1055. Over here, we actually take up 1 minute. T31, T31. No, we don't have a sales org. We'll have to make that. So sales organization to which the stock is transferred will be mentioned here. The distribution channel to which it is assigned will be mentioned here. And the billing of the division will be assigned over here. So we save it. T31. Okay. We have set Hero Motor as our receiving plant if we are going to transfer to this plant. Okay. Checking rule. Let's see this before we close our today's program. Now, in the delivery, of course, there will be different kind of deliveries like consignment or normal order delivery or make to order stock. Okay. We can also make our own plant to plant. We will check SD order. Okay. And we will make our own in the next one.